Hello, how are you doing? Quick one. I am here to let you know that I'm doing well. And again, I've seen that my sister Eva Nelson has started something for our lovely Beverly and Ifeshi. And with the permission from Beverly, I'm asking you that we all help her. And that want to build the field because of a mofrana. I can't hold prana mania and when we free hospital and I may be Mr. Yenina and mobile money can crave to me and fan number so and fan number sister. I am fine no more why Beverly a fellow Assam and American. Inti Mr. Munina say bet me no more. Kakrabian so yen fanfa mobile money number 055-73-86933. Mobile money number 055-73-86933. Ediya ewoso eye Trudy Ameko. Trudy Ameko or Trudy Ameko. TRUDY. Trudy Ameko niye AMEKO. Empress Madam one say we get said the German in Mekazano. Good. When you say I'm be shy, I would be my sister Beverly. Beverly, keep calm. God will see you through what I don't force me to bet your word.